went on My Builder, had a look through there, and then found you through your own website and contacted you through there, but also did a review on My Builder as well. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah, very professional, courteous. Yeah, great workmanship. Yeah. Very pleased.
Yeah, very pleased.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah, couldn't have asked for better. Definitely, yes, we already
have done.
Yes, yeah, so yeah, we would. Yeah, you've been absolutely brilliant, thank you.